Mark, Shaun, how long since you two have caught up?
Quite a while, at least a year.
Yeah, I must have done a good job.
So how did you two meet then? What was the reason for getting to meeting?
I met you because I got your number from probably Kim.
It was. Don't know why Kim actually.
I was just going to say Kim needs to know better next time. But no, what has been the impetus? So Mark, you're an assistive technology trainer along with Job Access, and Shaun, you had to get up to speed with iPhone and the various tools. So is that what got you to catching up? And
Yeah, exactly.
so what did you learn? What did you teach?
Everything. I couldn't do anything, and now I can do everything.
I got the call from Kim who said Shaun needs some help. I think it was, although it was just help, I don't remember which, but Kim might.
Yeah.
But and then Kim explained the situation, and basically I came out and met Shaun and Lauren. I think I spoke to Lauren first a couple of times, and we sort of passed the emails backwards and forwards. It was pretty busy at the time, and eventually got around to actually coming here. Found that Shaun desperately needed to learn the iPhone, wanted to communicate with friends and family, and it also had some issues with holding the iPhone, which was rather interesting because I've normally had people who who haven't had that experience, and so it was a case of we had to work out what's the best way to get Shaun to hold the phone, or how's the best to get Shaun to put the phone so that he could actually use it. So that right hand was pretty much not working. The functioning of it's improved, and that was. So how long was it after the stroke that, or the series of strokes that I came on board?
Probably maybe a year.
Yeah. So we eventually worked out with different sort of. I think we had bean bags and trays and pegs and God knows what other sort of things. But we eventually got to the point where Shaun was able to do not just Siri, because I'm not a big believer in Siri for a number of reasons. But we got to the stage where you can do flicks, and he does better flicks than I do. So so and then what do? We started working on apps pretty quickly, didn't we?
Yes.
So what apps do we work on?
Facebook.
Yeah. Facebook. WhatsApp.
Yeah, WhatsApp.
Safari, obviously.
What about tools such as the Apple Watch, Orcam, things like that? Have you got into that, Shaun?
Yes. Yeah. So I have a watch here
Mm-hmm.
that I do everything with that I need to, and I've got the old cam, which is really great.
So those three assistive technology tools that you and Mark have worked together on, what has the difference been to you?
Oh, life and date. I mean, without my phone, I couldn't do anything.
Mm-hmm.
And since I had that sorted, then I got into the other things. My watch.
Yeah.
I didn't know I had this watch at first.
Mm-hmm.
Lauren had put it away
Oh, okay.
and didn't know about it. And then all of a sudden she's like, you've got one of those. I'm like, what? Do I really? Get it. I want to play with that.
Yeah.
So, now I have that all the time.
And the TV. I remember we were sitting in front. We were watching, was it the SpaceX launch? Or,
So you two, Mark, you two have worked together to get the TV working as well and set that up. Yeah. So really it's not just the communication there. You've looked at, communication with the TV. So again, you can interact with your kids.
Yeah.
And watch TV with your kids.
Yeah.
Books, listening to books with your kids. So you've made it, again, a whole a family exercise that you as a family can watch movies, watch books, all through working with the remote on the TV and learning how to use the TV as well.
Exactly.
And Mark's been working with you on that.
Yes. Yeah.
So how long did you and I work together? It would have been like 3-4 months, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Longer.
Yeah, a bit longer. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And that's why I'd forgotten that you're the one that actually told me how to do the TV thing.
Yeah. That was funny.
Remember that now.
Because you weren't sure at the time,
No.
weren't you, if it was going to be accessible. And
No.
I said, oh, no, you just pressing on the mute button down, and the next thing it started talking to us. So
Yeah. I was like,
I was a bit surprised myself.
Hang on, you haven't taught me this.
Oh, well, you haven't asked.
Okay, I will ask. So what about on the computer, Shaun? Considering you're an IT guy, have you been able to get back to using the computer, or are you in the process of doing that?
we did try the actual computer, and I really didn't need it, so I don't do it anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to look at doing that, getting back into it?
Depends whether I get a job or not. If I get a job, then maybe yes.
I would say yes.
Have you started looking at screen reader options and things like that? Have you started
No.
playing around in that area? So that's where Mark will be working with you again, is it, to get you onto that journey as well?
Yeah, possibly. Yeah.
I like the word possibly. So
Everything is possible.
everything is possible. So the IT, with the IT and the work that you've done with Kim Pillick from Forward Steps Mobility, has really, and obviously having the support and the love from your family and working with your family, it's really made a difference to you, hasn't it?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be here without them.
And would you consider yourself definitely on the way to becoming independent?
Yes, definitely.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That's what we want to hear. So Mark is Digital Access Solutions and Assistive Technologies, and he can do the job access as well for people who want to know, as well as training in assistive technology. And Kim is Forward Steps Mobility for the orientation mobility. Thanks, Shaun.
No worries.